Welcome to Health and Wellness Slingshot, your go-to destination for a balanced and holistic approach to well-being. Today, we're diving into the world of soft fitness, a gentle yet powerful way to enhance your overall health through mindful movement. Unlike high-intensity workouts, soft fitness incorporates practices like yoga, Tai Chi, and Pilates, focusing on flexibility, balance, and mental clarity. The benefits are life-changing: improved posture, reduced stress, and increased energy levels that seamlessly integrate into your daily routine. In today's fast-paced world, prioritizing your physical and mental wellness is more important than ever. Join us as we explore practical tips, expert insights, and easy-to-follow routines that make soft fitness accessible for everyone, whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your practice. Get ready to embrace a softer, yet incredibly effective approach to fitness, right here on Health and Wellness Slingshot. Soft fitness is a gentle approach to physical activity that focuses on low-impact exercises and mindful movement, distinguishing it from traditional fitness methods that often emphasize high-intensity workouts. This concept is gaining traction in today's health landscape, appealing to a diverse range of demographics, from busy professionals to seniors seeking a sustainable way to stay active. The growing popularity of soft fitness can be attributed to its accessibility and the holistic benefits it offers. Practicing soft fitness not only enhances physical strength and flexibility, but also promotes mental well-being by reducing stress and anxiety. By integrating techniques like yoga and Tai Chi into daily routines, individuals can cultivate a balanced lifestyle that prioritizes both body and mind. As we navigate a world filled with challenges, adopting a soft fitness lifestyle can be a transformative step toward achieving overall health and wellness. Let's dive into some world-class techniques that embody the principles of soft fitness, including yoga, Pilates, and Tai Chi. Each of these practices offers unique benefits that enhance flexibility, balance, and mindfulness. Yoga combines breath control with postures to improve flexibility and promote relaxation, making it a perfect choice for stress relief. Pilates focuses on core strength and stability, helping to align the body and improve posture. Tai Chi, often described as meditation in motion, emphasizes slow, flowing movements that enhance balance and mental clarity. Incorporating these techniques into your routine can lead to a more holistic fitness experience, nurturing both body and mind. We encourage you to explore these practices and discover how they can transform your approach to fitness. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, there's a soft fitness technique that can elevate your well-being and enrich your daily life. Let's take a moment to celebrate some inspiring success stories of individuals who embraced soft fitness and transformed their lives. Meet Sarah, a busy professional who struggled with chronic stress and fatigue. After incorporating yoga into her routine, she found not only relief from her anxiety, but also improved flexibility and energy levels. Then there's Mark, a retiree who faced mobility challenges. By practicing Tai Chi, he regained balance and confidence, allowing him to enjoy activities he thought were lost forever. These stories highlight the real-life challenges many face, from stress to physical limitations, and how soft fitness provided effective solutions. The beauty of these transformations lies in their achievability. Anyone can experience similar results with dedication and the right approach. By showcasing these journeys, we hope to motivate you to explore soft fitness and unlock your own potential for personal growth and well-being. Crafting your personalized soft fitness routine is an exciting journey that begins with understanding your preferences. Start by selecting activities that resonate with you. Whether it's yoga, Pilates, or Tai Chi, consider what you enjoy most, as this will make it easier to stay committed. Consistency is key, so aim to set realistic goals that fit your lifestyle, perhaps starting with just 15 minutes a day and gradually increasing as you feel more comfortable. To help you get started, explore resources like fitness apps that offer guided sessions or local classes where you can connect with instructors and fellow enthusiasts. Online platforms also provide a wealth of videos and tutorials tailored to various skill levels. By creating a routine that aligns with your interests and goals, you'll not only enhance your physical health, but also cultivate a sense of mindfulness and well-being in your daily life. The journey into soft fitness is not just about individual practice, it's also about the community that surrounds it. Joining soft fitness groups or classes can significantly enhance your experience, providing motivation, accountability, and a sense of belonging. Being part of a supportive environment allows you to share your challenges and triumphs, fostering connections with others who understand your journey. We encourage you to share your experiences, whether it's a breakthrough in your practice or a struggle you've faced. This mutual support can be incredibly uplifting. Additionally, there are numerous online platforms where you can connect with like-minded individuals, such as social media groups, forums, and dedicated fitness apps. These spaces offer opportunities to exchange tips, participate in challenges, and celebrate each other's progress. Embracing community in your soft fitness journey can make all the difference, enriching your path to wellness and personal growth. In summary, soft fitness is a transformative approach to health and wellness, emphasizing gentle movement and mindfulness through proven techniques like yoga, Pilates, and Tai Chi. These practices go beyond physical flexibility and balance. They also enhance mental clarity and emotional well-being, creating a holistic path to a healthier lifestyle. By embracing soft fitness, you can cultivate a deeper connection with yourself, reduce stress, and experience lasting benefits that enhance your daily life. We hope this journey has inspired you to incorporate soft fitness into your routine. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to like this video to show your support. Subscribe to Health and Wellness Slingshot for more expert insights. Share this with friends and family who could benefit from a softer, more mindful approach to fitness. Your engagement helps us continue bringing you high-quality wellness content. Let's grow together and embrace the power of soft fitness on our journey to better health.